Hello guys, today our topic is the last truck accident. The last truck accident attorneys at the Barber Law Firm note if you were in an accident involving a big rig 18 wheeler and the insurance company is calling you, stop. Do not talk to the insurance carrier until you have consulted with an attorney with experience in truck accidents and commercial automotive coverage claims. All too often, accident victims allow insurance claims reps dictate how compensation will be handled, but a claims rep's job is to mitigate the cost insurance companies are liable for. Their job is not to make accident victims whole again. In fact, often their responsibilities to the insurance company they work for can come into a direct conflict with what best for you and your family. Claim offers from insurance carriers made of people without attorney representation are typically far below adequate, nor do they often meet the full extent that the law and insurance policies allow. Insurance companies know that most people are ignorant of the highly complex system of taxes, laws, as well as insurance technicalities involved in claims and how they may apply to each unique situation. Even experienced insurance professionals typically are not equipped to understand the nonsense of a commercial claim, so it is critical that you speak with an attorney experienced in this type of case before proceeding. Even if you decide not to work with an attorney, that initial consultation can be critical to your ability to understand issues at stake, at least from a basic standpoint. Why choose the Barber Law Firm? If you or someone you love is the victim of an accident involving a tractor trailer, it's critical to seek legal advice from an experienced personal injury attorney who has plenty of experience in representing truck accident victims. Cases involving tractor trailers are not your run of the mill personal injury claims. These cases involve a large number of extra moving parts, such as administrative regulations and the possibility of multiple defendants who may hold responsibility for your injuries. The last track accident lawyers Chris Barber has the experience it takes to represent you for accidents involving injuries such as number one is injuries requiring surgery, sutures, staples, traumatic brain injury TBI, including those caused by oxygen deprivation, severe burns resulting in significant and permanent scarring, mental anguish, and emotional distress, injuries caused by a collision with a driver that is drunk, impaired, or otherwise under the influence of narcotics or drugs. And six, in the worst case, death. Forms of compensation for victims of truck accidents. If you or someone you love has fallen victim to a truck accident, you likely already know that there is no amount of money that can make a person whole after such an accident. Compensation can, however, help to alleviate some of the financial chaos that a person can face after a truck accident. A personal injury claim can provide financial compensation, also known as damages, for the following: medical expenses such as hospital bills, surgical cost and cost of medical equipment needed after an accident, rehabilitation cost and cost of long-term care if you are permanently disabled, income that you have lost as a result of being unable to work after your accident, as well as lost earning capacity if you are unable to return to work permanently, physical pain that you suffered during and after your accidents, and emotional trauma that you have endured as a result of your truck accident, such as depression, anxiety, and an inability to sleep. Don't trust an insurance company to be on your side. After a truck accident, you are likely to hear more from an insurance company that very quickly, whether it be your own or that of the truck driver, no matter how caring the person on the other end of the phone may sound. It's important to be on guard when talking to an insurance company. Don't be fooled into thinking that an insurance company, even your own, has your best interest in mind. At the end of the day, an insurance company is a business, and the main goal of any business is to be as profitable as possible. When it comes to insurance companies, unfortunately, this profit is made by shorting well deserving victims out of compensation that they are entitled to. Whenever you are dealing with an insurance company, it's important to keep the following tips in mind. Know your calls are being recorded. This isn't for training and quality assurance, as some insurance representatives may tell you. Rather, the point of these recorded phone calls is to use your own words against you if you were to slip up and say something that might sound incriminating. Don't sign any paperwork without an attorney's go ahead. You will be likely receive a stack of paperwork after an insurance company contacts you. Be sure to have an attorney review any paperwork that you sign, no matter